Today, I am in the biggest Asian Vending Machine Expo today, and I'm going to walk you around the expo and show you the main players in the vending machine industry in China. Here we got Easy Touch. It's one of the main vending machine manufacturer in China. And here we got XY vending machine. It's also one of the main player in the Chinese vending machine industry. Let's go. So we are in TCN's booth. TCN right now is the biggest vending machine manufacturer at present in China. So here we got a manufacturer that manufactures big advertisement display devices. And here's our booth, micro vending technology. We got 180 square meters for this expo, and this is the first time ever. Here we got the ready meal and the pizza vending machines. So you can see right here, we got a lot of snack and drink vending machines. Behind me, there are a lot of vending machines stacked right here. This is another company. It's very famous for its snack and drink vending machines as well. They got locker vending machine, snack and drink vending machine, and toys vending machine. And right here we got the smart fridge. Smart fridge is a new model and a new kind of vending machine in the vending machine industry. It's getting more and more popular in Europe and in the US, especially in Europe. This company mainly produces ready meal food, but its main market is for China. They don't really export many vending machines for overseas markets. And here this company is the biggest vending machine operator current at this moment in China now. Let's go right here. And right here we got some small booths for the vending machine spare parts, like the wheels, like the other spare parts, you know. Even the detergent manufacturer also attend this expo today. This is a beverage manufacturer. Well, see here, we get a machine for selling phone accessories and phones here. These lockers are for hotels. We get another booth. Follow me. Wow, this company, they manufacture a very interesting product. It's the robot arms. See how intelligent the robot arm is. This vending machine produces the ready-to-make noodles. Well, I see one interesting product. This is the flour vending machine. You see, it's designed in lockers. Most of the companies in this section are the coffee manufacturers. You can see right here the coffee vending machines, a lot of them. We also see the most famous coffee vending machine in Europe, Evoca. Wow, there are coffee vending machine, there are drinks vending machine. The machine is getting so big and so they look just so beautiful. Those are the manufacturers that produce the spare parts for vending machines. Well, see. This is a highly automatic mobile arm. I think this machine is to produce the polywood, to compress the polywood, right? Let's go. I think in these two sections, we got over 100 manufacturers attending this expo today. Very interesting. This is a blind box vending machine. I think we are done. I'm getting tired. This company is one of the companies in China that first venture into vending machine manufacturing, the Easy Touch. It's a cooperate by Japanese and Chinese. So we are done here. I'm getting tired. There are two sections mainly for vending machines, and we got an expo there, but that expo is for dairy products. So I'm not gonna walk into that session. So this is the biggest Asian smart vending machine expo. If you are a vending machine operator or you want to keep up with the new trends of the vending machine industry or want to know the new product, you can never miss this expo.